The season of Ramadan and Eid is upon us, and in this list of our top 10 videos, you'll find Instagram stories, logo reveals, and video openers perfect for personalizing your brand or sending custom messages to your family and friends. All the items included on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like stock video, lower thirds, royalty-free music, and everything in between to bring your projects to life. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Eid Festival Logo by Video Pilot Pro. Introduce your content with a cheerful 3D logo reveal. This template is full of glossy and colorful 3D elements, and your logo will appear within the next crescent moon. Download this pack and create a happy and bright introduction for your video. Number 9. Ramadan Kareem by Media Styles. The number 9 spot on this list is an elegant opener template. This file zooms out, showcasing some beautiful golden elements like a crescent moon, stars, and fanus. Number 8. Islamic Festival Opener by Video Pilot Pro. With a pink scenario and colorful 3D balloons, this template creates a friendly and optimistic look to introduce your content to your audience. The different camera angles and movements make this template more dynamic and showcases your logo smoothly with an opacity transition. Number 7. Ramadan Kareem Opener Premiere Pro by vProxy. Ramadan Kareem Opener is an elegant project for Ramadan and Eid that works for intro or event invitations. It includes shining illustrated elements and 7 text placeholders that are ready to customize. Number 6. Ramadan Broadcast Package by Swindu STD. Customize your broadcast channel with these Ramadan-themed lower thirds, next up scenes, transitions, and social media headers. Animated particles, illustrated elements, and stunning shape layer animations give this pack a professional and high-quality finish. If you're finding this roundup useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and tap the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Now, let's see the templates that made our top 5. Number 5. Ramadan Kareem by Hagungor. This template boasts elegance and charm. Take your audience on a magical journey full of light particles and beautiful 3D buildings and environments. It includes 2 different designs, one with a glossy 3D texture and the other with a holographic effect that showcases different mosques and gives an interesting depth of field. Number 4. Ramadan by Living Imagine. Share your message with this bright and shining template. It's full of golden particles that create beautiful elements like fanus, mosques, and light curtains, complementing the text holder perfectly. Number 3. Eid Mubarak Ramadan Kareem by Bilal Marie. The number 3 spot on our list is a super versatile pack. It includes titles, logo reveals, illustrated scenes, and even Instagram stories. This template requires Trapcode Particular 2.6. An external plugin to create these energetic and eye-catching particles. Number 2. Ramadan and Eid Mubarak Opener by vProxy. The number 2 spot on this list is a captivating papercut style opener. The camera zooms out, showcasing a scenario full of camels, mosques, and palms. The journey ends with your logo revealed in the sky, surrounded by stars, clouds, and a crescent moon. Spectacular. Number 1. Ramadan Stories by Pixdot. Pixdot created our top item today, an Instagram Stories pack based on the Ramadan and Eid season. This pack includes 5 different stories with various animations, perfect for promoting your content or advertising your products on social media. Download this pack and explore the possibilities. We've come to the end of our list. Let us know in the comments which of these templates you're going to use during the season. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You might want to look at the video thumbnail shown on your screen. You'll like it. It's been selected just for you. See you next time.